This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play custom maps on Descenders for PlayStation 4. While the console version doesn't support direct file uploads, you can still enjoy a vast array of community-designed experiences. We'll explore the in-game methods available to access these unique tracks, giving you a fresh challenge. Get ready to discover some incredible courses created by fellow riders, enhancing your gameplay significantly. To begin, head over to the Freeride section from your main menu. Once there, you'll find an option to input a seed. This is where the magic happens. Community members frequently share these special codes across various online platforms. These seeds generate specific, pre-designed track layouts, offering a consistent and exciting experience for everyone who uses them. It's a fantastic way to explore new terrain. A seed code is essentially a blueprint, a unique string of letters and numbers that tells the game how to construct a particular track. When you enter one of these codes into the seed input, the game generates that exact course for you. This means you can ride the same challenging or creative track that another player designed and shared, ensuring a consistent experience across the community. It's a simple yet powerful feature. It's important to understand that while seed codes provide a custom-like experience, they are not the same as directly uploading custom map files, which isn't supported on PlayStation 4. However, these seeds are the best way to access a huge variety of player-created content. Keep an eye on online communities, forums, and social media. New and exciting seed codes are constantly being shared, offering endless riding possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.